Hey y'all, it's your girl Mercedes here, back with another video. Welcome back to my channel where we talk about all things hair, food, and dabble in a little bit of fun. If you are new and tuning in for the first time, go ahead and subscribe down below if you are feeling the vibes. Also, please remember to like and comment on this video. It really helps out my channel so much. And last but not least, y'all go ahead and follow me on Instagram at It's Mercedes Shantae. Alright guys, let's get into the video. Alright y'all, so your sister won a giveaway. I am so excited, you guys. So I recently won a giveaway with Ivie Beauty, which is a black owned, okay, woman owned, okay, all natural hair care brand committed to growing 4C hair. And you know your girl got 4C hair that needs growing. So I was so excited when I won this giveaway. I received a couple of their hair care products and just some goodies. So I want to show you guys what I got in my giveaway box, and then we will get right into the rest of the video because it's also what? It's wash day. So of course I'm going to be reviewing these products and trying these products as well. So let me show y'all what your girl done got in this giveaway box. We have the Ivie Beauty. It's their black rice water shampoo. And y'all know I love my rice water, so it's black rice water, so this is gonna be interesting. I also got the black rice water deep conditioner. And then lastly, the Growth Moisturizer. So also in this giveaway box are some goodies. So I got this cute comb here. I got this cute sparkly pin. Okay, sparkle. A little massager. I believe this is for your hair, you know, get a little massage in while you're, you know, getting your shampoo on. You know, stimulate that scalp, girl. Okay. And I also got this cute little scarf. So this will be nice to put on my hair. And this cute journal. So how cute is all of this stuff? Thank you so much, Ivie Beauty. I am super excited. So now let's get into this wash day, okay? So like I said, the giveaway box came with this black rice water shampoo. So let's just talk about this first. One, the shampoo is in a jar. Crazy. Have y'all had a shampoo in a jar? I have not had a shampoo in a jar. This is gonna be my first time trying it. So that's what's really exciting. Let's get into some of these ingredients. First one, water. Okay, second one, black rice. Third, castor oil, tea tree, eucalyptus, chamomile, fenugreek, hibiscus, lemongrass, neem, rosemary, sage, sesame oil, all the things to stimulate growth in the scalp and promote a healthy scalp and healthy hair. And here's the consistency. So wow, this is like real liquidy. It is really a loose texture, very like watery gel like. Not usually what I'm used to for a shampoo. Okay y'all, so let's get into application. So let me go ahead and take this off. I had a pre-poo in my hair, so I went ahead and washed that out. So this is my hair after rinsing out the pre-poo. So what I'm going to do, you guys, is I'm just going to wet my hair a little bit more to get it damp. And I'm going to show you one side of my hair with this shampoo, and then I'm just gonna hit it in the shower for the other side. Okay, so my hair is nice and damp. Y'all, I'm actually like really scared to use this shampoo, but we gonna do it, okay? Okay, here we go. Oh my God. Oh, wow. Oh, I definitely used too much shampoo, so I pretty much just got a big gloop. Alright you guys, so as you can see, I am making a complete mess. Like, that thing lathers, okay? You don't need much. Note to self for the next time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hop into the shower and finish the rest of the shampoo on the other side, and then we're going to come back and get into this deep conditioner, okay? I'll see you guys in a sec. Alright you guys, so this is how my hair looks after the shampoo. I'm just going to save my reviews to the end, so let's get into this deep conditioner. Once again, all natural ingredients, black rice, castor oil, tea tree, eucalyptus, amla, ginger root, fenugreek, chamomile, lavender, horsetail, hibiscus, all the things, okay? So one thing about the instructions, it does say to apply and massage into the scalp, shafts, and ends of hair. Let this sit on the scalp for 3 to 10 minutes. Now, what type of conditioner work in 3 to 10 minutes? Deep conditioner at that. We tried that already. Y'all remember what happened 3 to 10 minutes? But you know what? We gonna follow the directions and we gonna do the 3 to 10 minutes. We gonna see how this goes, okay? So here's the consistency. So this is still, once again, very putty-like. Okay, like, look at that. Like, it's very putty, it's very loose. Take a little bit to start. Alright you guys, so the deep conditioner is in, so let's go ahead and put a shower cap on. And I'm going to let this sit for the longer time, so I'm going to let this sit for 10 minutes. The directions does say 3 to 10, but ain't no way a deep conditioner gonna work in my hair in 3 minutes, okay? So I'm going to let this sit for 10 minutes, and I will get back to you guys with my results after I wash it out, okay? See you guys soon. Bye. Alright you guys, so the deep conditioner has been sitting in for 10 minutes. I wanted to show y'all what it's looking like before rinsing it out so we can experience it together to see if this really worked, okay? So let me just go ahead and take this off. Oh. Okay now. Oh, that penetrated. Like, it's in there. My hair is actually really soft. Rinse out is going to be pretty easy. Oh wow, like, I don't know if you can see it, but the product has pretty much completely penetrated into the strands almost. And it's still pretty juicy. Alright, I ain't mad at it. Alright, I am not mad at this deep conditioner, so let me go ahead and rinse this out and we'll get into the moisturizer, okay? See y'all in a sec. Alright y'all, so this is how my hair is looking after the deep conditioner. So, time to move on to the Growth Moisturizer. Alright, so the Growth Moisturizer is an all-natural, pure moisturizing cream, hydrates and restores lifeless and damaged hair. So your girl needs some reviving, okay? So the Growth Moisturizer is perfect for transitioning chemically treated hair to natural hair, and it leaves your kinks, curls, and coils deeply moisturized and conditioned. This achieves tremendous growth, hydration, and moisture. So, once again, the ingredients in this product are all natural. So we have shea butter, castor oil, aloe vera. Y'all know I love my aloe vera, okay? Aloe vera, amla oil, argan oil, basil, black tea, chamomile, chili oil, that's new, fenugreek, ginseng, garlic seed, hibiscus, horsetail, lavender, so a lot of the same ingredients that were in the shampoo and the deep conditioner. All right, so here is the texture. Once again, very smooth. I love this texture. I think this texture will work really well in 4C hair. This is very smooth, kind of like a butter almost. Alright y'all, so I put a couple twists in my hair, and honestly this is just gonna be it for the wash day, okay? So my final thoughts on these products. One, the shampoo was a little bit problematic only because of the consistency and the packaging of the jar. So yeah, that didn't work for me. I'm sorry. I did like the consistency was way too goopy, and just getting the product out of the jar to put in my hair, you can lose a lot of the product just from transferring out of the jar and into your hair. So that is a lot of waste that if I'm going to be paying for the product, I want to use the most out of my product. So that's one negative. A couple of things that were good about it though, the lather was awesome. I did feel my hair was cleansed and clarified and stripped and not moisturized. So if you're looking for a moisturizing shampoo, this is not for you. If you're looking for something to really cleanse your hair, this is a really great cleanser for your scalp and for your hair. So when I did shampoo, I also put in a conditioner once I got done to just dress up my strands again because they were naked, okay? Like stripped. So that was the shampoo. The deep conditioner, I actually really enjoyed how the results came out. I honestly left it in for only 10 minutes and it did what it had to do. My hair was left feeling soft when I rinsed it out. It was awesome, so that was really great. The moisturizer, I like the consistency of it. When it was in my hair and I was running it through, it actually got a little bit thicker while I was applying it, so that was really cool. It was easy to just kind of comb through and just continue to manipulate my strands. So all in all, thank you Ivie Beauty for the gift set. I really enjoyed this wash day, and once again you guys, if you are feeling the vibes, go ahead and subscribe down below, okay? If you are feeling the vibes, please be sure to subscribe. If you are feeling the vibes, please be sure to subscribe. If you are feeling the vibes, please be sure to subscribe. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Hope you guys have a wonderful wash day. See y'all soon. Bye.